Express 4/10 as a fraction and shade the model. Well, notice how I just said 4/10. Well, if you're going to say 4/10 is a fraction, then just write out 4/10 like that. Now, you could simplify that. That is an even number. That is an even number. So let's divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. And 4/10 simplifies out to 2/5. Now, if I'm going to come over here and shade this model, I'm going to first notice that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these rectangles attached to this huge square. So if there's 10 of them, then 4/10 is going to have me shade 4 out of those 10. So I'm using this green color, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try to keep things within the lines, which I'm really bad at. I screwed out already. Use this time right now to like and subscribe to my channel. And maybe leave a comment saying how much you love my stuff. And I'm almost done. And that's good enough for me. So 4/10 is 4 out of 10. And 4/10 is 2/5. We're done.